friends, and welcome back to another video. Joe back with you here, and I am looking forward to jumping into this because today it's an Is It Worth It? We have two pairs of headphones that are under $100, and that's not too crazy, but these are active noise canceling headphones. There's a pair of over-ear headphones and an in-ear earbuds. These headphones are from COWIN. We have the COWIN E7, which are the over-the-ear headphones. And then we have the COWIN HE8 in-ear earbuds. Both of these have active noise canceling. Now, not only are these headphones noise canceling, they're both Bluetooth headsets. We're gonna take a look at the sound quality, the overall durability of them, and then what's the value for under $100 that you get out of these headphones. We're gonna take a look at the cheaper of the two options right now on Amazon, and that is the E7s. Now these are an over-the-ear option that fit quite comfortably on my head. So what do you get in the box here? Right out of the box you obviously get your headphones. Included with that is a micro USB for charging, an audio cable if you want to plug directly into your phone or another music playing device. And lastly, you get a pretty nice little vinyl carrying bag. So over-the-ear headphones are designed to fit on your head and around your ears, and hence the name. These have quite a good size cushion on them here, and they fit pretty well over your ears. I have pretty large ears, but these fit comfortably on there. It has a great cushion at the top that is real squishy, and it's an overall good suction to your head makes for a very comfortable fit. So how do they sound? Well, they sound quite good. I've enjoyed the overall sound of them. The bass is decent, not overpowering at all. The mids are solid throughout. You're not gonna be blown away by the sound of these things, but for under $100, you're not really looking for that. This is something that you can put on in a airplane trip or in your noisy house or maybe mowing the lawn or something that you wanna cut the world out and just go and not worry about getting $300 plus headphones that you could mess up. These are something that you throw in a bag with the vinyl cover and just take with you. You might notice a slight increase in sound quality with the included audio cable over the Bluetooth, just because the nature of the game, you do lose some quality over Bluetooth. These do charge pretty fast. They said about 5 minutes for an hour of charge, which is awesome. They're supposed to last up to 30 hours on a single charge. I haven't had an issue of them dying on me. I actually pulled them out of the box and turned them on and listened to them a long time and never had to stop. I charged just because I figured they'll die eventually, but they never did die on me yet. I just charge every once in a while. With micro USB, it's easy. I just put it over on charging rack, plug it in, and I'm good to go for the rest of the week. Now we get to the weaker point with this, the overall quality and durability of these. Now, I'm not saying these are cheaply made, but they are pretty much 99.9% plastic as far as I can tell. And for the long-term durability, it's hard to know. I've had these probably 2-3 months and I haven't had any issues, but if you're going daily with these on and off the bus or off the train or are flying a lot, yeah, I would wonder if you would have some issues with the edges where these swivel, or maybe at the top where the bands meet here. But overall, even though they are plastic, they're solid. They have a good weight to them. They feel strong. I don't think they're just gonna break out of nowhere, but be aware that they could potentially have some issues with durability for the long run. They have a good flex to them and they're pretty strong, but the plastic does have me a little worried, especially where the swivel of the cups are here at these little points. There's just a little bit of plastic there, and at the swivel at the top here. So if those were to crack, you might be out of luck. I don't know what type of manufacturer warranty they have on these bad boys. Out of the box, you get some nice accessories with the HE8s. You get this nice little hard case that has a little sleeve for the headphones or just the your different tips in there. It's a nice soft touch in there to keep them nice and protected. Get 2 sets of ear fins, to bigger and smaller if it's gonna fit your ear. Now a little easier to hook in the sides of your earlobes. And then you get 3 sets of the earpieces, the actual ends of them, for small, medium, and larger ears. So lastly, you get the charger, and this is where things get interesting. They get awesome, and they get not so great. The charging is pretty cool, where it just can be snapped through a magnet to have this little clip that it puts on there, which is cool. What's not cool is that this is proprietary, so you're gonna have to use the cable provided from them. So if you lose this, you're kind of out of luck. So you need to keep that. There's this little connection point at the bottom of the loop of the earbuds that has the contact points to use magnets to clip on here. Pretty cool design, and it's similar to some other that I've seen, but it's implemented well with these. Now this USB charger has a little trick up its sleeve because it looks like a normal USB, but you can hit a little clip and it's actually a micro USB on the end. And the reason that is important is because that you can charge this with your phone. So although the earbuds are rated up to 5 hours of battery life, if you're in a pinch and you're on the road and you just can't stop to a charger, you can go ahead and place that in there with your phone and clip in the earbuds, and it'll start charging it right there. The sound quality on these HE8s aren't quite as nice as the E7s, but that is apples to oranges. You have smaller drivers, you don't go over your ear, they're in your ear, so you're not gonna get that full sound like you get in the over the ears, but they sound solid. They have a good range with them. The music sounds clear and sounds good. It's not gonna be distorted or out of place. It does sound good overall. Overall, the build quality of these are pretty solid. It's a strong wiring. The earbuds themselves have a nice hard plastic. I don't have any issues with the longevity of these. Like I said, the biggest issue might be where that proprietary cable, whether that's gonna last a long time and whether or not that's gonna cause you any issues in the future. But for $70, these are pretty solid overall. I haven't tested the long time use of maybe the water resistance of them, but they're feeling pretty solid so far, and I think they'll be good overall for you for under $100. Now the immediate comparison that I can make with these HE8s is to my Jaybirds Blue Buds X. Now these are the first generation. Now there's, a second and third, but I still absolutely love these Jaybirds. And the reason I picked up the HE8s was the noise canceling. But honestly, with these phone tip inserts that I bought extra that they now come with on the newer models, you get a pretty solid level of noise cancellation. Now that's not active noise canceling. So if you absolutely need noise canceling with active noise canceling, these are going to be a better option for like planes and trains and things like that. But if you just need to cut out some noise, I think that the Jaybirds sound a little better and are a little bit more comfortable to me. So weigh those options and see which one might be better for you. These Jaybirds Blue Buds X, I'll link below, and I did a video on them way long ago. And they're still a pretty solid pickup, and you can get them probably around the same price. So see what's best for you and see what would be work out in the long run better for you. So what's the verdict then on the COWIN E7s and the HE8s? I think they're worth the buy. If you're looking for some sports or active headphones, these could be a great one. Check to see if they'll fit your ears correctly and they'll be a good fit for you, but both of these have good sound quality for different reasons. They're great. I'm excited to use these more and have them for a while to come. Overall, the durability in the long term, it's a wonder whether or not they'll hold up. For about $70 each, these are well under $100, and you're getting a great value whether you want some nice over-the-ear headphones that you can just pop on, walk around the house, go in your normal commute on a train or an airplane, these will be a great thing. If you're out and want some water-resistant headphones that you can do some jogs in, some yard work, whatever, maybe the HE8s would be a better pickup for you. But these are both great value for under $100, and if they do break in the long run, you're not out too much versus a much higher headphone cost. There you have it, friends. That has been a look at the COWIN E7 over-the-ear noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones and the COWIN HE8 active noise-canceling in-ear earbuds. Those are a mouthful, but I hope you've enjoyed these sub $100. Is it worth it for these Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones? If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Make sure to comment down below. Tell me what you'd like to see next on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. It is so much appreciated. But as always, you know what to do. You keep it classy. Listening to music.